What's up? My name's Kamal Akeel, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front wiper blades on a 350Z. Mine's a 2004. I don't know, it might be different part numbers for different years. They might have changed it up a little bit, but I just bought the OEM wiper blades. I mean, I know you can go to like any auto store and get like aftermarket ones, but I don't know. I feel like the OEM ones always work better, because when I do get aftermarket ones, I feel like even brand new, sometimes when it's raining, it feels like it doesn't clear all the water off the windshield. But that's up to you whether you want to get those or not. So it's pretty simple how to do this, so I'll just show you guys real quick. I have a pocket screwdriver to help me with this. You don't really need one. But yeah, it's pretty simple because you're able to just pull these up without having to do anything with the hood and whatnot. So if you just flip this like this, you'll see this little tab right here. If you just push it out, you'll hear a little click. They should just be able to push the blade like towards the car, and it should come right off. And then same thing with the other side. Just flip this up. You can see this little tab here. Just pull it out and then just push the wiper towards the car, and it should just come right out. And then with your new blades, as you can see, the shorter one is for the passenger side, the longer one's for the driver side. So with our new blades, here's the shorter one. So let's start with that. And then the OEM ones come with this little protective thing on the rubber blade itself. So just slide that off. And then you can push this that way. So you'll see where it actually hooks on. So just slide it in there and then just pull it out, and you'll hear it click in like that. So you know it's on there good. All right. And for this side, the same thing. Just slide this plastic protective thing off, and then you can move this a little bit so we can slide this over, and then just you can hear it. This one didn't snap on as well, but yeah, it didn't make as loud of a click, but when you push it up there, you can try to move it off, and if it's sturdy, it's sturdy. You make sure that's pushed all the way down, and that's it. So yeah, this is pretty simple, but hopefully it was helpful to somebody out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Finito.